In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini in Gmail emails, a fantastic update for 2025 that integrates AI to streamline your email experience. First, we'll start by navigating to Google's homepage. Simply open your browser and head over to Google. The URL you want is www.google.com. Once you're at Google's homepage, the next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in button and give it a click. It's located in the upper right corner of the page. Make sure to enter your credentials correctly to access your Google account. This will allow us to move on to Gmail seamlessly. Now that you're logged in, it's time to click on Gmail. You'll notice it as one of the options in the Google app waffle icon, or sometimes directly next to your name in the corner depending on your settings. Click on it and you'll be directed to your Gmail inbox, bringing you to a familiar space where all your emails reside. Once you're in your Gmail dashboard, take a moment to look around. You might see new badges or features highlighting changes such as the integration with Gemini that we're about to explore. Now, focus your attention on the settings menu. Here, find the option labeled Try Gemini and give it a click. This is where the magic starts. Click on Try It Out, which will usually be prominently displayed as Google encourages users to experience its new features. Clicking on Try It Out will transition you to a new page that explains what Gemini in Gmail entails. This is essentially where Google merges its AI capabilities with your email functionalities, offering features such as predictive replies, smart sorting, and content suggestions. Once you're informed about the new features and benefits, you'll see an option to get Gemini in Gmail, Docs, and more with Google AI Pro. Selecting this option will not only activate Gemini in your Gmail, but also extend the capabilities to other Google Workspace applications, giving you a more connected and AI-enhanced experience. Remember, integrating Gemini doesn't only elevate the way you handle emails, it enhances your productivity across Google's suite of tools. Explore these AI tools in different scenarios, whether you're drafting a document, organizing an email, or managing meetings. In today's fast-paced world, utilizing these tools effectively can save you significant time and effort. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to enabling and using Gemini in your Gmail emails. Feel free to explore the various features that AI can offer to make your daily digital tasks more efficient and effective.